Letitia Chrep na Maya watwa na nanomu wo ensiedo aye arehosem wo oman mu wo na wotwe emu awabra yete se eye miracle schools omusuku ba ko GHS no na se abayo yi abo ne ho mode akosen ne ho ewo mu dining hall ekuni ho yaya wo abra jese na obia enim ho hwe na momu no nchiremu a Adepa TV ye fifi mu ye duadua mu ye tietie mu na ye de yasoto fom na ye te ye ene se eye opapa edema eye Letitia ababonten ababekasa ese ekwan a abayo no fa so wu ye ne de nchire se ono na asen ne ho ekune ho na momu no eye headmaster na se headmistress no ne sa ehase esanse obi ensen ne ho wabra ne nan esisi fom na ahoma no eda na bodwe asesa se wasen ne ho awu na momu no okasa no so picture bi trend ye enra ye nyina ye behwe a se abayo no ne nsa ho ayese ya botokro na moja bi ada ho no no papa na kira na ese abayo no ensa no obi atwe moja edi efri ho no mo enye eno nkwampo wabra eye police for ananse omude call hospital na omoye autopsy ni ade no omo hu se enye sen na nipa na asen ne ho na mom obi na abomodin etimi akuno na owie no ode no ekogina ho te se ni abayo no asen ne ho no asan so ede ntroye bi asan de ato ho se eye Letitia mom na etroy na headmistress no yeso okan bibi se eye abayo no ensa no pepepe na eda hoi se papa no ebeje achinya onkohwe abayo no note na onhwe eye paper na eda ho no na papa se dabida obi etimi ehwe obi nsa no no watwere ne pepepe no de wo ho nti no even cross signature kra obi timi bomodia study obi signature no de akọ ne bank account no akwakoyi ne sika nti we de eye fraud bi frakadam bi na school management no epeso omoye yentie nanum kasa ne bia okan ye
fena Letitia chere praman wadi mfie du nan coming November 8th and obenya 15 years or JHS 3 fana ya fi no betwere na de yeme no wane say omo se me ba no atimi atiki ne life because fie kura no bibi tin so wo kitchen kura na se kan kura tina na ye ne ya let alone so obefa homa so obeyere obesen ne kon ena homa no kura na omo kasa omo de asen ne ho no homa no nye homa bitimi akum me ba no because me call scene no me hunu se akura ne gina ho ne nema ko ena ogina ne to so that means say a ploy obi na hanging no in the suspected school authorities no because adan na da bia moko dining ansa na omako Bible studies badano nko ade omaka nkora ne nyina gu Bible studies ena omo say omo wie Bible studies na omko dining omko dining no hunu say akora na wu and there's a whole lot of questions to answer me bana twere letter mako fa ne book they better want to compare in handwriting yes massa there are people who can write who can imitate somebody's handwriting so those information I don't believe it because from the indication o match in blood e won insem I have the pictures o match in blood e won insem o mu wie na mo hunu say they have to cover up enti no mo de ahoma ko share me ba na silly now akora no asema chese there's nothing there indicating say akora no betimi ayesa he cannot do that waiting say pathologist ne beba no beba examine body no what kind of cause of death if I'm not convinced I will call for another pathologist because the child doesn't lack anything that will cause a death oh problem of cancer or dada see mama say ni nua keto obeka kire ni nua no nyina okoho na omkokodi komo o issue bi a obefro mi pesika we me send ama no ana ni nua no befre ni nua no bia be manisika oni yare bia me ba no ni yare bia won so say o yare bia it can cause that oni yare bia
Papa no asema wode aba abonten no adekesi pa na ato nani na onji ndi se ne ba no ebetimi aye nbibi se even kra no eye ono na ahye ne ho akomfoa ne ba no hwehia no ewo abusua ne mu bibia no pa obeka kire eye ne nuanom anase na wofo omo wo no eba asase wesu no video bi esan circulate ewo social media eye abayo Letitia ya one ne best friend baako mepese ye baako hwe video no aba ye ba nkyeremu oho bia no masade ato also amon ehwe ye no momani tua eye Letitia na ejina kiro na ohwe check no na afi na damfo baako a ono no oka ne ho no moye video na ese na omoji omani ewo eye campus fefefe ade ebechia ne se yakote se Letitia hwe anya na wakosen ne ho aku ne ho yaya na oyeso oja letter bi etche eye ni notebook bi mo ye nya ntro ye ni yedie na okenkan a utumi hu se ose ono a na atro a chese onyinsen ye na nyinsen mo nim se eye se na obusuafo ehu se wakwakọ nyinsen wa bra owo JHS a ebeye animguase eno na nam so nti a ode kosen ne ho eye ne tofa kakra na mabọ na yebeduaduam na ye hu letter na kasa ne etuamu potin bio na afei Adepa TV ya san ede aba abesomo wo eye ensensem ya chese ye ne adwen Letitia hono na ye ne Nigel Gezi prophet na ohye nkom ahodo ewo na sorry dem efiasasne ga besia Nigel unim se Nyankopon kan hwe chiraw we de Nigel Gezi se Nyankopon aka bibia kire no wabra eye fraud boy bi ekopiem wo na sorry dem wo hu fraud boy no e na ofre ne se bra na bebu kotodwe ewo manim na mahu bibi efa ho ewo se meka ede kire na Nigel ema abrantie no bebu kotodwe no hwehwemu ekire se abrantie enya de a ote eye ye krom kasa eye twi ebi nti ode brofo na ne eyiyi no ensem ano ede man na se okyerɛkyerɛ no ne abrantie enye abrantie ya oye fraud boy yi Nigel se eye ade a abrantie no oba ba benya sika bebre na ebuso na ansa na obeka ne wo bio akyerɛ no just abrantie no eso seed with 5,000 Ghana cedis 50 million ansa na enkomo a wo bia no wasan ene no edi yehwe video we embrasisi a
about it today. Give God like 5,000. Don't think about the money. You are doing this. He's laughing at me. Is that what? So for catch and say, me who say sika bebre fi approach. Can say me who what is that computer nature? But a normal block, but oba altar no me say or baby or beji broni baby sika bebre. Catch him. So beji broni ba say also ma nyame adwan. Praise him the Lord. And to catch and say, "Oh my team, it's be say of sacrifice send obey me ama na for the mental last century. Bema what if you are not a for bra my Paul? Come, you are a handsome man. Who brought you here? Your brother. Who is your brother? Innocent. Okay, God bless. So you know this one. You know this one. Okay, that's fine. God will bless you. Okay, there is something they have injected into your body. They've injected something into your body. When we close to see me, okay? You're very nice man, handsome man. Okay, give me 5. God bless you. Okay, man of God, how much did he say you give? You have 500 Ghana. Okay, when the money comes, stand here. I see money come. When the money, you go and give to a Nigerian pastor. You go and give to a Nigerian. You bring it here. Are you sure? No doubt for me. So I was saying, Uncle, I know more than some they dangerous. Are dangerous? One of the men can't channel on 2 cheap. I say you are handsome. So, more fast sacrifice than to a number. Watch me. You say you are packed, so you are going to a new house. Okay. I'm giving you 4 months from now. You handle cash. Amen. Listen, Tuesday, buy quality perfume. Quality one. Bring it to me. I'll work on it. You'll use it. Money will come. I'm done. Right. Now what brand?
We ena Ghana for say ye nka ho asem de adai wo Nigel Gezi de ye nimu Ghana ha se evia swasne krabedi adanse otumi ka se Nigel nim se Nyankopon ento ne nsanfre no Nigel nim se Nyankopon enka hwe nkyere no enso Nigel eka we bi na Nigel ede aka kire emrantie mienu kra na hwe video na oka bibisa ede ekire wo mo eyade aboy no so ye hwehwem na se oye fraud boy inti no eyade obenya sika pi na sika no so krampo na eba abrantie no e de sika no kwa amanoni a ebe bo back to sender ntidi ayade sika no se Niger Gezi asori dem ho na sika no eba se wonye sika na Niger ahye ne nkom se obenya na ewo se Niger Gezi asori dem ho no de ba ni kwan se ode ko eye baabia Niger Gezi nso asem a ode aba abonten enon Lady bia ono no oye timamuni a kire se ewo se o kire na adwen esan se omayimu no ye wo freedom of speech inti bibia ha obia no nso owo akwanya sa nso betimi a kire wadwen ono na oka asem ewo eye radio one of our sisters radio station ewo Ghana ha no mo na o kire se galamse no fiti eye mfie be ye ne wo ho na ye adwen se ebekun galamse eguso a ekoso atamus ba oye bi enso ankosi hwe mahama ebaye former president ono nso ebeye bi ankosi hwe nanado abreso na ase pressure no ekosoro Ghana titiru ye na ye ma eye nanado pressure se onko eye galamse no so eguso a ekoso ono na dwenkire no na se eye bebre ye hwe video we embrasisi a
ma yen chetie fo nyina biem na me chia bantma constituency fo nyina Ishmael, Ghana is a serious country and Kanana Kufuado, ya holding a man resign. President or timid in the presidency at all line in fight of Galamsey. A basic name in a worker say, or wasting Ghana for sika, ya resources. Papa say, any MPP are buying, say, 2017. Resources nisika omo ye drones are omo koto edia monitor excavators 500 excavators ne ebesi ne yenhunu ye setu ye se memo ye yenhunu ho asem na akofo ado sa wo boss ebe ka kire Ghana for say yensa enko principles for baby edia principles Galamsey fight no eye abusia na ntini kro se wo mia ne den a ebekọ na assistant now no ekro ne ye mia o because yes party hieska MPP party no ehieska eti Galamsey no eye party for na eye eti ekon no ye ni ba bia ye ekon se na akofo ato ene ne party for eye wo mo adwene se ena me ne wo kasai se o mo jai Galamsey no ebeyira yensuo na ni bete Ishmael, yes, you any better. Many workers saying 2017, $300 million. And one more yes, or more aircom. 2017, yeah. Says he cannot fight no more coin in assistant now. I mean, no worker say Ishmael, ye who kitami, ye who jami, ye nip and fasodia. Sa fights no, ekosi ye. Say ye Lucy, a month for Lucy or more life. E was sa battle nim na bisa ho say Ishmael and nana akufo eba basis no okache say base corruption fighter he will use the Anas principle woni hanom na Anas ekoye Galamsey expose ebaye
Nese Galamsey ena ono nso akoka ho asemi wo eye Galamsey ya ena MP edema eye employer so eye honorable Davis Opoku eko eye site bia e won important mu hono mo ekoto nkofo mutu Galamsey na okoto wo mo no oni nani anje ho sei kra nti eye de o kire o mo se oni o kan boko ena o se on pe mining e wo ne bro no so nti se wanyante ye so se mu nkofo ya mo ha ya mo site ayade amutu Galamsey mufa kwoti kwan bi so edi sika ehhehye ase ne ade ni wahu ni nyina na momu no onemu ekọ no boko te se abofra keto a afi na o wia ye hwe video we embrasisi a
we have told you we don't want the mining here. Is that what you want? If that's what you want, we'll do it. Because we don't like the mining in our community. As simple as that. We don't want the mining in the community. Oh. Master Moti, I say, would they go back? We have spice here. We said that Google to us. And I'll be a strong masum. And I mean, you want to know, and I may tell say, Chat is our. And your man will be the mining. The man will be the mining. Okay, you're a very thankful Casa Gentle. no kasa aban mre mu no ka no kwa ya ka hwe yesi ye mpe mine no ewo ya assembly no esi on mpe mine ye mo ye nyina ye hunu trying to give money back door any sign money na ye hunu we don't like it, so we don't even want your presence here.
Sir, me patch away there. Mesro.
Yeah, because we don't want your presence here. Because you say you mo ye manual, and we have evidence. Opening, there were evidence. There were evidence. And I'm telling you, community need charge, when they come at you, let nobody blame anybody. I mean, that point there, we must make it very, very clear. Let nobody blame anybody. Let nobody blame anybody. Operational permit, we need operational permit. So you cannot come here and be working here. If you are the country director, send this to your bosses. We don't like the idea of you people coming to mine here. I know they are impaired.
Ono ena wakasa ede afa hui ose ono no onto so sa eniema ne so ewo eye ne importem ho no mo nti wa waye wadwen se wobetu galamse ewo mpraye so ena afe ne mantem aka ne de ene eto wadwen mu da nya dia honorable Davis Opoku ebema okwan se beye eye mining ewo nimpesua eso wo ensamfu from no second class officer or prison officer your friend say Nyaku Steven ensama aba abontin HSS pay say ne ho atochi makakra na say wayare emre kakra ni na yede ne to ambulance im efrikete krache ewo oti region na yede ne ba nkran ha ye hospitals akese anka ewa ha no mu bi na yede na ba je ayarehwe nti omo bowura police hospital omo ko ho no mo no na say empa omo beda sokrampo no ebi eni honomo na ewase yede ne ko 37 military hospital honomo nso omukọ ya empa eni honomo nti yesan so ede ne ko Ridge hospital ni nyina eho empa ni ho yede papa Steven Nyaku ebeto so ewo honomo na wanya ayarehwe na asefem moboye pa se Ghana hanomo yaka hospitals akese a nka omo de Ridge ni 37 na police hospital omo kan kolebu mu ho nka omo de omo ya akesefo pa nka omo wo oman mu titiu na eba ne sen na afe papa yi ko ya yese bed eni honomo we enam so Star FM for ene Dr. Abdallah etwetwen enkomo doctor ya meka na semi ono no owo hospital akese yi ebi emu ochira ne mpesua so anase ne hospital honomo no yade onumpo mu no yare yese wo se yade ne ko ward na yekoje no ayarehwe na yade ne ko pie mu ho no ono ankasa na ye adwuma hospital ho no wanya bed under so na ewo se yede yekope baby a bed ewo na yede no ekoto so ya medical officer owo kolebu asem na meken Dr. Hadi Muhammad Abdallah na sem na meken wabra oka no o kire se omanyimu ya hospitals akese ne de se ye ka se empower ho a na entropa na empanifo etwa empa omudi omuti beto so de enya de a ebi ewo ho no mo nti we so krampo onam so ede adeserede edoto amampanifo enim se ankronkra wa wusika esom ubo no anase esom no bomodian na ebi nso enso hospitals akese eso esanse eho na yakane sen ayarefo bebre ebo pini ho no mo ekoje ayarehwe na obekọ no obebisa se na bed na esisi ho 11 na yesi enya ayarefo ne bi mfanto so na ye de wo ho so obekọ no omo yare brain tumor afa omo cancer ene sa yare no enu bi ene ye di omo atoto so na ese wo yare different yare bi dia enya dia wo no ebi ebeso so na yede wo akoto bed bi eso arahosem esi no ene se university students bi a omo no chese omo graduate enti no omo agi omani celebration on time enti omo gi omani na cars ahodo esisi ho no mo na ehu ya ne se car no private car no ebi etete car na esro ena ebi nso egu car na animo omo gi omani na enwuma etemu de na esewani ensesa mekacho wo Nigeria ena chese abrantie bi ono no osi se obefriend na danfo oba aya sometimes ebi mka say you don't check up on me so wo namfofo bi omo beka say Moses die onumpo on freye asenansen on freme ade na won freme okọ frewi uba bebele no ade a odi enema bi na ebetoto ne so se ene Moses senimiseye onti o se one emma omo to nkwanta kra ya pa yenhwe video we embracesia.
Lately, a lot of people they vex for me say I know they check up on them again. Moses, you don't forget him. Moses, you don't even care about us again. The question be say, if I check up on you, you not go be me. When we say I go ask you how are you doing, the next thing say your mother swallow needle, your papa they just cut your leg, or your younger sister never pay school fees. How go they check up on you? Meanwhile, you they feel say they spend money, it is I not get my own problem. Not be the one way talking on, not be you go no. Everywhere no palash. If I not check up on you, no miss I not love you. Now because you go be me. If you go feel come up billing for the matter, check my rich friend whether I know they check up on them every time because they not go give me wahala. You will not get on, so now you they give me stress. And me too, my head don't full. I don't feel take your stress. Now why they avoid you? No verse, I wish you well.
Moses na ono so ede ne de aba abontin no ne ema to kwanta ya pai sanse oba be frɛ na damfo obey ya de abele na oba be bele no anya water bill na ye light bill anya light bill na ye edan rent na ne oba beji eye Moses nti Moses say mai onemu awie Adepa TV se opesa ye bo oniema ho dawuro ede mawa eno ane se obefrɛ mpanifo e wotetefun ya etwaguo eso na oni omo atwetwe enkomo ye bebo oniema ho dawuro edi amount se eniema bi a wo ton anase eye estate development bibia opese ye bo ho dawuro edi mawo no ye beye amount ne fefe so ye fra me Miss Adepa me pa social video ni wi a na wa subscribe wa like wa comment na wa share edi amaye.